Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Bet365 in the USA. First, you need to register an account with Bet365. This is very easy and can be done on your desktop, laptop, tablet, or mobile device. On the homepage, click the Join button at the top right corner. Next, select your country of residence before moving forward. During registration, you will need to enter your personal details such as your full name, date of birth, email address, phone number, and home address. Make sure all the information is accurate and then accept the terms and conditions to continue. You'll be asked if you want to set deposit limits, login limits, select your time zone, and how you want to odds displayed, fractional, decimal, or American. Fill in all these options carefully according to your preference. Once your account is set up, the next step is to deposit money. Bet365 support a wide range of payment methods. You can use Visa or MasterCard if your bank allows. Other options include iDebit, Instant Debit, PaySafeCard, and IntroPay. Deposits usually appear instantly in your account and most methods don't charge any fees. After funding your account, it's time to place your bets. Bet365 has one of the largest selections of sports market available, and the platform is very easy to navigate. On the homepage, you'll see in-play events and a list of popular upcoming games. If you're on a desktop, use the sidebar to browse sports. On mobile, tap the sports button at the bottom. You can also use the search bar to quickly find a specific team, league, or athlete. When you find a bet you want to place, click on the odds and it will be added to your bet slip. Enter your stack and click place bet. If you're betting in play, remember the odds change constantly, so there may be a slight delay in confirming your wager. Bet365 also allows parlays, bet builders, and other special bets. To place a parlay, log in, add multiple selections to your bet slip. Choose from a straight parlay or exotic bet, enter your stack, and place the bet. Bet Builders allows you to combine bets within a single game, such as soccer, NBA, or NHL matches. To use the Bet Builder, select the match, open the Bet Builder tab, add up to 12 selections, enter your stack, and place the bet. If you want to cash out your bet, whether it's a single bet, parlay, or bet builder, you can do so from the desktop or the app. The cash out function is very convenient and lets you secure profits or minimize losses while a game is progress. Finally, if you win and want to withdraw your funds, go to the bank menu by clicking your account icon. Select withdraw and choose the same method you want to use to deposit. If that's not available, you may need to use a bank transfer. Withdrawals are straightforward, and while it takes a few days for the funds to reach your account, Bet365 is reliable when it comes to payouts. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.